Home screen or clock widget. New dog or widget. Many or style. Piano widget. Calculator or widget. Classic, an app drawer or work on. Bring it into your device with me. I will use this phone to do it. Currently, there are no widgets on this device. First, open Settings app, My Device, then Backup and Restore Features. Mobile device. Uncheck All in this screen. Only select System Launcher app data to backup. Finish and exit to home screen. Next, download backup file made by me in video description. After downloaded backup file, you got it like this. Press and hold File, select More, then move or copy file to the path. Miui Backup Al Backup. Select Latest Backup Folder, Soft by Time Modified. This is original system launcher app data of your phone. You can copy to another place to save it, or you can replace it with downloaded backup file. Now return to Backup and Restore Features. Select Restore tab, then choose Latest Backup Data to restore. Finish and exit to home screen. The new widgets appeared on your device now. First, check on Classic Mode home screen. This backup file also contains old pets, widgets, and a super folder. Next, check on home screen with App Drawer. In both interface modes there are these new widgets. You can delete widgets you don't like and rearrange your phone's home screen accordingly. File and video description. I hope you will like this. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.